Hey everyone, in this video we're going to learn about Windows Caddy Server and how we can use to integrate or run OpenAlgo locally in your Windows machine, and how you can connect brokers like Shoonya and HDFC Sky. See, one of the reason why we have to go and use Caddy Server for the brokers like Shoonya and HDFC Sky is the brokers are not currently allowing localhost to run as an redirection URL. So it is very difficult to connect locally with the local callback. What are the callback? What OpenAlgo is using by default, and the broker expect HTTPS in the redirection URL. So that's what Caddy Server solves it. Caddy Server will be acting like a primary reverse proxy, and also it provides an automatic HTTPS certificate as well. So that way you can run OpenAlgo locally in your local machine with a static IP enabled. So let's go and see how to do that, right? Let's go and learn how to integrate with one of the broker. I'm in the Caddy server portal, so where I can go and download the Caddy server, right? And then once the download is done, it's a very simple download. You can copy the file. So I'm just simply right click and then I'm going to copy the file. I'll come to my C drive. So I create a new folder name called Caddy, and right click, I'm going to paste it and then rename the file to caddy.exe. Caddy.exe is a simple application which is going to run the complete your Python OpenAlgo server is going to be run on top of Caddy, right? So you just have to rename it. What are the file? I already renamed it in my case, right? If in case you haven't renamed it, copy the file from the download section, put it in the Caddy, and then rename the file to caddy.exe. So once the caddy.exe is there, the next step is to go and edit the localhost file. So you can find your localhost file from this section. So probably I'll go to Windows R, that will be launching the run. I'll go and go to the Windows System 32 drivers etc folder. So from the etc folder, you can find the host file, so which you have to open it up. So open with a notepad over here, typically. And once you opened it up, you have to ensure that you enter the 127.0.0.1, you map it to openalgo.local. So this is a very critical one. And once this configuration is done, right, so you have to save it and then you have to start the Caddy server. That's what we're gonna do here. So let me go and just save it. And once the saving is done, just close it. Now it is time to generate the broker API key and API secret key. So I'm in the broker portal. So Shoonya is the broker here. So I'll go to my account and then I'll go and get the API key. So this will be generating an client ID and the secret code, the API secret key. And also in the redirect URL, I'm going to set as like openalgo.local with the HTTPS enabled /Shoonya/callback. Now this URL, you'll be able to find it in our OpenAlgo documentation. If you go to docs.openalgo.in, you will be able to you can go to the broker section. From here, if you are using the HDFC Sky broker, you'll be able to see the same configuration. You'll be able to see the redirect URL. If you are using broker like Shoonya, right, so you'll be again copy it and then you can paste it over here and also enter your static IP. Once the static IP is entered, just update it, right? So once this instruction is done, then you have to follow the configuration over here. So we'll do the configuration. First, I'm gonna go and launch VS Code. So let me pull up VS Code here. So here is a VS Code. I'll go to file, open a folder. I'm gonna create a new folder in my D drive. So I'll just give a name. I'll just say like OpenAlgo-testing, right? So you can give whatever the name of your choice and select the folder. And I'm gonna go to the terminal, right? I'm gonna download OpenAlgo, right? First thing what I'm gonna do is like I'm gonna download OpenAlgo. But before downloading OpenAlgo, ensure that your Python is already installed. Just Python hyphen version. Ensure that Python is installed. Git hyphen version. Ensure that Git is installed, and UV hyphen version. Ensure that UV is also installed. If any of those things are not installed, try to go and download Python, Git SEM, and UV. Installing UV is pretty simple. Pip install UV. Once your Python is installed, you can always do pip install UV, and that will be downloading the UV and it will be installing the UV as well. In my case, all these three live versions has been already downloaded. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to OpenAlgo portal. So from the OpenAlgo portal, let's go to OpenAlgo, right? So openalgo.in. Here you get access to the GitHub link. Copy the GitHub link, come back to the VS Code, and then git clone OpenAlgo. This will be downloading OpenAlgo locally, right? So once the OpenAlgo is downloaded, you have to go and configure OpenAlgo and start the Caddy server and start the OpenAlgo. That's a process that I'm going to show you right now. So OpenAlgo is right now, it got downloaded. If you go and see the OpenAlgo, you will be finding the Caddy file over here. This is a very interesting file. This contains the Caddy configuration by default, right? So now I'm going to get into cd space OpenAlgo. I'm getting inside the OpenAlgo folder. I'm going to copy the .sample.env. .sample.env, I'm going to copy to a new file name called .env. So this creates a .env file. This is a file that we're going to keep the broker credentials. So I'll set up my broker API key and API secret key in the same format how I got. I'll go to the Shoonya documentation. You can see that your user ID and your client ID over here. So user ID, this is my user, this is my client ID. So obviously this is my login ID, a triple colon, and the client ID, which is the API key, and followed by that my API secret, right? So I'm just going to copy that. These are one-time settings. Now I have to go and set the redirect URL. For the redirect URL, I'm gonna go to the Shoonya documentation. From here, I'll go to the redirection URL. I just simply copy the redirection URL. The same redirection URL you'll be placing in the brokers portal, and also you have to keep the same URL in the redirection URL as well, right? So once this is done, right, now it is time to go and save it. So first you just save it, ensure that Control S, and that will be saving the .env file. Now once I'm done with the configuration, I'm gonna go and launch the Caddy server. So in order to run the Caddy server, I'll have to go to a new terminal. Now I'll get into the OpenAlgo folder. From here, I'll type C drive where my Caddy server is there. So Caddy is the folder /caddy.exe followed by that run. That will be starting the Caddy server. And once the Caddy server is started, now it's time to go and run OpenAlgo. To run OpenAlgo, come back to the previous terminal. So uv run app.py, that will be installing OpenAlgo services, libraries, and everything, and it will be running the OpenAlgo. And once the entire process is done, you are good to go and launch OpenAlgo. As you see, like the OpenAlgo is now running. So I can go to my Chrome browser. So let me go to my Chrome browser here, and then you can just simply type, and here you can simply type https://openalgo.local, and that will be launching OpenAlgo. So you can log in and enter the credentials for the first time. You create the OpenAlgo credentials for the login purpose. And once this is done, now it's time to go and log into the application. So just log into the application. And once the login once the login is done, right? So let's go and connect to the account. That will be redirecting to the broker portal where I have to enter the credentials. Let me enter the login ID and password, and also I need to enter the OTP details as well. Let me go and pull up my authenticator, and then I'll just key in my OTP. And that should be redirecting you back to the OpenAlgo. Now you can use OpenAlgo as usual, and this will be pretty much useful for you to build your strategies, and you can go and play with all the features of OpenAlgo. So I guess this explains how to use OpenAlgo. Ensure that the master contract is already downloaded. So I guess this explains how to use Caddy Server with Shoonya. The procedure is very similar if you're going to use HDFC Sky as well. Maybe we'll try to see it in a separate video about it, right? So let me stop here. Let me know how it works for you. Are you able to install Caddy Server, and are you able to run OpenAlgo locally using HTTPS? So let me know everything in comments. Thank you. Bye-bye.